wanted to show you some cool things that are going on. Hello. Hi, Kristen. How are you? Hope all is well with you. Lots of people joining now, so thank you. If you are watching me live, you can cast your comments, give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. That would be awesome. And this show is really cool. It is huge. There are lots and lots of new things that we're seeing. Give me a second here. I just have to readjust. So many cool things. Marcus and I are always interested in finding out the cool, new, interesting stuff that is going on in our industry. We're always trying to upgrade and do more, bring more to Ellenville, bring more to our area so that, you can kind of see the cool stuff that's out there. But I'm going to get back to the show right now. We're tasting, you know what? Marcus and I were tasting some tequila just now. There's this cool, original barbecue whiskey. Let me flip this around so you can see Curveball. It's really smoky and you can see some cool stuff going on. Fireball is doing something over there. Not that we support Fireball, but Howlerhead is here. So Howlerhead, which we love, which is a banana bourbon. They are here. Hello, Karen. Thanks for watching me. I appreciate it. This show is really, really awesome. Glad we're here for today. Glad we're going to experience new interesting stuff. We tasted a bunch of stuff last night. We're tasting a bunch of stuff now. You can kind of see Marcus is over there. Maybe he can wave to the camera. He's tasting some tequila. He probably wants me to come taste some tequila. We tasted Ignite. It's a bourbon of Ignite. They have some awesome products. I gotta tell you, we love coming to these shows. So I'm sure you'll see some new things at Aroma Thyme in these movies. Hope to see you soon. We are closed today and tomorrow. We reopen on Thursday. I'll give you a little hint. Our buy one, get one free next week is going to be our tuna. So our rare sesame crusted tuna is going to be our buy one, get one free from Thursday to Monday. We have a wine dinner on the 28th. So hopefully you'll join us for that. That's 4 wines and a dish for her $29. I'm trying to think what else we have coming up. 99 bottles of wine is coming up in April. So we got really cool stuff. Hi Sue, hi Christoph, hi Karen, or Vinny, I'm not sure who it is. And hopefully we'll catch everybody soon at Aroma Thyme. Open this weekend, busy weekend. Justin is actually playing local this weekend. He's in Rockland County, so super excited about that. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 12 o'clock games at Boulder Stadium in Rockland County. So really excited about going to see the Griffs, the Golden Griffs from Canisius College play Manhattan College at Boulder. So if anybody wants to go see a game with us, join us. We'll probably do a little tailgating on Saturday, probably about 10:30 or so at Boulder. I would like to see you. We got lots of cool stuff going on. I'm going to get back to the show. There's a lot to see, and I want to bring some cool stuff back to you. So hope everybody has an amazing, awesome day, and we will see you. Maybe I'll come live tomorrow as well. Have a wonderful night. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here, and we'll catch everybody soon. Have a great night. Oh, sorry, Karen. Where are you? Too noisy and crazy. Oh, can you not hear me? Well, I am actually at the bar and nightclub show, so I'm going to turn this around so you can see. Lots of people here in Vegas. Hi, Jim. Yeah, really cool show here. Finding some really cool, interesting new products. I would show you this amazing smoking glass thing that I love, but I'm holding the camera. I'm trying to do too many things at one time. So, hope everybody has an awesome day. I gotta go get some drinks. Have a great night, and we'll catch everybody soon. Cheers.